I listen to the wind through the canyon when it blows.
暗躍しましてね。今度
And I feel the rhythm of a river as it flows. I watch the seasons come and go. I watch the trees turn from green to gold. In the words of a poet, it's so sublime. I just call it river time. I listen to the echoes off the wall. And at night I can hear the coyotes call, singing songs by fire at night, deadhead to fierce by moonlight. In the words of a poet, it's so sublime. I just call it river time. I like the smell of the air in the rain, sunrise and the new day it brings, canyon walls that reach to the sky, clouds above the rim, miles high. In the words of a poet, it's so sublime. I just call it river time. I think about the ancient ones a long time ago, and I wonder what would have made them go. They left their writings on the wall, their meaning, does anybody know? In the words of a poet, it's so sublime. I just call it river time. River she moving below our feet, current swift and the water's deep. Turn off the motor and we float for a while. A little stretch of river just above 2 miles, and it's down the Colorado, just floating along, making up a new song. Pontoons are all full of air. If the motor doesn't start now, we don't care. We'll just float along now, arrive a little late. Bus drivers will have to sit there and wait. And it's down the Colorado, just floating along, making up a new song. We talk about the history in the days of old, talk about the time that they searched for gold, talk about the dinosaurs long ago. We're floating along on the Colorado, and it's down the Colorado, just floating along, making up a new song. Passengers need no shirt, no shoes. Down here on the river we sing no blues. Like to kick back and have a little fun. Down here on the river just playing in the sun.
Go around, oh my, twice.
And it's down Colorado, just floating along,
Open course professional
making up a new song. I've seen it rain now and I've seen it snow. Down here in the canyon I know it can blow. I watch the waterfalls that the showers bring. I watch the eagles now hide on a wing. Yes, I know, I watched it all before. Yes, I know, I've seen it all before. watch the people come and I watch them go. I see the wonder in their eyes on the Colorado. When they ask me if I ever get tired of this, I just say no. 'Cause you're never the same once you've been down the Colorado. Yes, I know, been down before. Yes, I know, been down before. Staring down at these canyon walls, reflecting up at me. Oh, sky above, water below, the smell of the tamarisk trees. Can't you see what it means to me? Can't you see what it means to me? Spent his whole life on this river, "25 years or more, body baked by the sun. Hands are calloused from the oar, not a lot to show. If you could put a price on